In this paper, we propose an interpretation based on the fundamental psychosis research carried out by the psychiatrist Massimo Fagioli and on his discovery of a pathological dynamic that he names the annulment pulsion. In his first book, Das Instinct and Knowledge, Massimo Fagioli proposed in 1971 a new interpretation of the notion of death instinct that arises at birth as a pulsion that the newborn directs against the new environment. The external reality is perceived as hostile compared to the homeostasis the fetus experienced for 9 months during gestation. Moreover, when the retina, the only part of the central nervous system that is exposed to the outside, is stimulated by light at birth, it triggers a cascade of events that activate the respiratory system. At the same time, as this reaction, newborns realize the memory of the homeostasis they experienced during gestation through vitality, which they develop over 9 months, as the capability to react. This is a sensation of calm and biological well-being they experience while immersed in the amniotic fluid, which caressed their skin for 9 months. The same sensation that the infant will try to recover in its relationship with the caregiver. Fagioli named this memory capability to imagine. It is the initial core of integrity, the first internal image that an infant has to develop in its relationship with the caregiver. Fagioli named the newborn's reaction at birth a disappearance fantasy. However, if for some reason early homeostasis is not confirmed during breastfeeding, the infant will lose that early image and become sick. The disappearance fantasy becomes an annulment, this time against a human being, namely against the unresponsive caregiver, with the result that the newborn loses her or his internal image in relation to the other human being. The internal image becomes increasingly weak until it disappears. The infant gets sick. Next, we will see how the first months of child life are fundamental to the realization of a stable self, and that the injury of the internal image may be the cause of mental illness. Clinical cases.